Welcome everybody to Art in Action. My name is Sarah Fritzlar. Halloween is almost here and it's time to spark your creativity. The story of lighting pumpkins comes from an ancient Celtic tradition. At harvest time, there would be a massive communal bonfire. Everyone from the community would go and feast and dance and celebrate harvest at the end of the Samhain festival. The head female from each family would go and take an ember from the fire. That coal would be brought back to their home in a hollowed out gourd. And that's where the tradition of pumpkin carving comes from. Now, trick-or-treating, where sometimes you have people dressed like me, knocking on people's door and begging for candy, that doesn't come from witches, that comes from fairies. Story had it that fairies, well, not necessarily evil, not necessarily good either. And at Halloween, they like to play tricks on people. So if you didn't leave out a nice, tasty treat for the fairy, he or she would play a nasty trick on you. That's why we say trick or treat. Today, we're going to get spooky in art. We're going to be creative in art today, and I want to show you how to make this spooky Halloween trees with their little fingers reaching down. Maybe it'll be too scary for you to make. You'll have to be brave. I'm going to show you the different ways you can make this fun, spooky Halloween scene. We'll start with materials that you have already at home. I'm going to start by making a circle in the middle. So I'm going to lie the orange down, and then I'm going to take red. I'm going to take a paper towel, blend around and around and around. Isn't that cool? I'm going to do straight up and down vertical brush strokes. So they're going to go up and down like this. Next, I'm going to do 3 spooky trees going up the page. So we want the branches to go up and then down. We want to give this so it has that feeling of a spooky, creepy tree. And then down like an elbow. Looking pretty spooky, isn't it? Next thing we're going to add are some eyes. Then you have your spooky, spooky Halloween scene. Now you've finished your spooky Halloween scene. I'm hoping you hang it up on your wall. It doesn't scare anybody. And no matter what you are, this Halloween, everyone is an artist.